Pay you got such some say you promise I bear me pay.
Ta me mot ban ong ba baro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
की खबर का बातें सी टीवी का उम्दी बशnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Keyboard penyiar jong Punjab National Bank la pentip ba berkelawan raya ka mang pisa Lyngba ka digital MSME ka bekot hadu 8% lang man Kyrshan yi Nongsengkam ka Meghalaya kiba ang nuot banyang halagi jong kijat na kabentaban Nongsengkam u Ashok Chandra beliau Managing Director wa Chief Executive Officer ka Punjab National Bank haka jengkran begala patai kubor loong maginong apply kim dan kam satya ban phai ki kot kisla hande gi dan kam tang ban chu pulie ya gi jing dan kam na ka website jong ka bank ban banyo ya gi jingarap na kinong tre jong ka bank.
Punjab National Bank is one of the country's largest banks. We have a very strong legacy of 131 years. And the economic development of the country, bank plays very, very important role. Now, when we are all aiming and working for the Viksit Bharat 2047, we need to play very, very important role. We are mindful of that, and keeping that in mind, bank has come out with a lot of initiatives on the business front, whether it is the MSME or the agri or the retail. We have come out with a lot of good digital tools now, and especially I will focus on the MSME because that is one of the important sectors of the economy. We have come out with the digital MSME sanctions where up to 25 lakh you need not submit any document. You can just go to our website or take assistance of our branch, and they will take you to the business rule engine which the bank has come on. And just you need to provide any entrepreneur who is looking for the business loan, they need to provide that their individual details, if they are paying the GST details, and the system itself will validate everything, and depending upon the cash flow in the account, the eligibility gets decided and the amount also will get sanctioned digitally. We have also made tie-up arrangement for the digital documentation with NESL. So digital documentation also will happen, and then the disbursement also will happen through the digital channel now. So I think this message definitely with all your channels and the media, it should go to every entrepreneur in the state that they should, if they are looking for any activity or they are doing any activity, I think definitely they should avail this facility. There is no collateral required. They can do it through the CGTMSC. So this one area definitely I would like to popularize in this particular state. And agri also, we have the scheme for the self-help group, which is end-to-end digital again. Then we have a scheme for the food processing, KCC, allied activities. So bank has the different products for suiting the requirement for each and every segment of the society. And we know the importance of these northeast states, and that to the Meghalaya. We have 26 branches in this particular state, and my visit to this state is to understand the requirement, understand the opportunities, and I have met the Chief Secretary also today, some other officials also I have met, and now I am going to have the town hall meeting with my staff members. Where all the staffs of this particular geography, they are here now. I will be spending around 2 to 3 hours where the open session will be there, where all my staff members, they will freely interact with me, whatever they feel about the geography, whatever their requirements or any products which they would like to develop in the state. I think definitely we will discuss all those things. Bank, we are putting a lot of focus on customer service. This is one of the topmost agendas of the bank. Growth will happen under the umbrella of the customer service and the ambience. So these are the two very, very important aspects along with the growth, which we have put a lot of focus in this particular year, and it is going to continue. We have also come out with the QR code based customer service feedback, and that is there in every branch across the country now. So customer can do the transaction and they can scan on the QR which is there against every employee and give the feedback how he felt about that particular service. So customer service is again one of the key focus area for the bank. Ambience also we are putting a lot of focus, and we want that need to develop a good working culture where the employee also feel very comfortable, and in turn I think the customer service also will improve. So
the next 5 years in the state of Meghalaya?
Yes, in fact, I had a discussion with the Chief Secretary also, and I'm looking for any good opportunity coming in any other particular district. We have 26 branches as of now, but going forward, definitely we would like to expand our footfalls any other district also. That is one. Second, government has come out with good initiative, like I was told that homestay also government has come out with a scheme. Definitely PNB will partner for that particular activity, and we will play important role in the credit delivery in that particular segment. I was also told that a lot of other government schemes are there where the government is providing the comfort by way of the subsidies. I think definitely all those areas bank will look into that, and wherever any financial interventions are required, bank will provide all the support.
So also, what initiative has the bank taken to promote digital banking and improve customer convenience?
Yeah, like I mentioned, first is that most of these initiatives is backed by the digital tools now. Like today we have I mentioned about the digital MSME, up to 25 lakh end-to-end digital is there. Prime Minister, the solar rooftop scheme is there. That is also end-to-end digital. Anybody who wants to put the solar rooftop, they can go to our site and they can apply, and the sanction disbursement, everything will happen through the digital tool now. PM Vishwakarma scheme, PM Swanidhi scheme, these are all end-to-end digital products are there. So today, every third loan which happens in the bank is through the digital now. And we are aiming that another 3 months time, every second loan in the bank will happen through the digital tool. So that is the way we are creating the digital atmosphere. As on today, we have 85,000 crore of digital loans done through the digital tools now. 85,000 crore. So a lot of focus is there on the digital, and focus is that through the digital whether we can improve the customer service. Like I mentioned, the QR code based customer feedback. It is again a very unique concept. In front of every employee there is a QR code is kept now. You do the transaction and then you give the feedback. So today, sitting in head office, we are able to know in the remotest part of the country where our branch is there, what type of service is being provided. So this is the thing which we are doing.
So with regard to the homestay scheme that you mentioned that the bank from the bank, what will be the criteria?
Criteria, I think already the due diligence has been done by the government of Meghalaya, because based on that only they are giving 70% subsidy, and 10% will be coming from the entrepreneur side also. So bank need to do the funding for 20%. We will just do some due diligence, and based on the documents and the papers what they have provided, I think definitely we are going to develop some product for that, and so that it becomes very, very easy for the person also to avail the loan. It becomes a structured product then.
No, sir, but I mean, in terms of funds, how much will the bank be able to provide?
We will give, 70% government is giving, 10% will be the margin from the person who is developing it, right?
Yes.
So 20% bank will provide.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. it. Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.